Well guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace battery on Boogie board, Blackboard. As you can tell, it's not working, battery died, and it seems it's fairly easy to replace, but I tried flat screwdriver and damage here, and it didn't really open the cover, so I'm going to show you easy way. I figured it's you just use the quarter, insert in this slot, and twist clockwise until little arrow meets the dot. Over here. So once it's meet the dot, you can remove cover, remove your battery, and make sure you have the replacement battery ready to go. It's CR2032 battery, and you just put it in with the positive facing out. Put the cover back so you make sure arrow meets the dot again, and go back with the quarter and just counterclockwise. You twist quarter of a turn, and now it's back. So let's check it out. Here you go, it's working. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more video.